Swipez provides your business a fully customizable invoicing and bill presentment system, with online payment collections. Using Swipez, your customers can pay your bills online via UPI, Paytm, credit card, debit card or net banking. Thousands of merchants are using Swipez invoicing and are no longer collecting money by showing up at their customers' doorstep. Swipez provides multiple ways to start sending invoices to your customers, via email and SMS. To get started, you need to create your bill format within Swipez. To do this, navigate to Invoice Formats menu option, then click on Create Format. Here we have provided you with multiple invoice formats to get you started. You can click on the View button to preview any of the formats. For this video, we will choose the standard invoice format by clicking Clone. Enter a name for your bill template, for example, First Format. Next, upload your company logo by clicking on Select Logo. You can configure the header portion of your invoice by clicking on Manage Field. Here, you can choose to display more fields in your header like Company PAN, and click Done. You can drag and drop a field, and set the position in which the field will appear in your invoice header. Next, you can configure your customer details section by clicking on Manage Field. Here too, you can choose to display more fields in your header like customer address, and click Done. You can delete any fields you don't require by clicking on the Remove button against a field. You can now add the bill breakup by clicking on Add New Row in the Add Particulars section. This will result in an empty row getting added in your particulars section. You can choose to set the label of this particular, for example, Item 1. Similarly, you can add multiple line items to your bill format using the Add New Row option. Post this, you can set up the taxes applicable for your business in the Add Taxes section. To do this, click on Add New Row. Here you can set up taxes like CGST and SGST and their respective percentages. You can also set up your terms and conditions in your bill format by clicking on Add New Row. Here, you can enter your business-specific terms and conditions. There are a host of other useful features which can be configured while making a bill format. Deductibles feature. This feature allows your customer to deduct taxes at source before making the payment. To configure this feature, click on the toggle button, switch it to Enabled, and click on Add New Row. Here you can set up your deductible by setting a label, for example, TDS, and adding a percentage. This will allow the customer to deduct 2% TDS before making this payment online. Supplier feature. This feature allows you to inform your suppliers that the invoice has been paid. This feature is especially useful when your internal staff or third-party vendors need to be informed once an invoice has been paid. The Swipez system informs your suppliers by sending them an email as soon as the invoice is paid. Coupons feature. Using this feature, you can apply coupons to your invoices. Coupons can be created by navigating to Data Configuration, Coupons menu option. Here, you can create coupons which can be applied to your invoice format. Any invoices sent using this invoice format will be enabled for coupon-based discounting. Carbon Copier, CC email feature. Using this feature, you can mark emails to associates who need to receive the invoice sent to your customer. To do this, click on the toggle button to switch it to Enabled. Next, click on Add New Row, and type in the email ID that needs to be marked on outgoing invoices. Round Off feature. Using this feature, you can round off your final invoice value. This is especially useful if your invoices have taxes and you would like the payment amount to be rounded off. We are now ready to save our first bill format. To do this, click Save. The resulting screen shows how the invoice would look with data filled in. If in case you would like to change the format, you can click Update Template. To view the list of formats created by you, can navigate to Invoice Formats, then List Formats menu option. You are now ready to start sending invoices and collecting online payments.